we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this free online chat website that allows users to socialize with others without the need to register. How do you go about pronouncing this brand name then? I know many people say it as Omegle, and I guess it makes sense somehow in English. However, when you look at the logo down below on your screen, the logo of the brand, this is an omega sign, the omega letter of the Greek alphabet, which is the 24th and last letter in the Greek alphabet. Now, the name of this letter in English is said as omega, not omega. Therefore, the name of the website is Omegle, not Omegle, but rather Omegle. Does that make sense? Let me know in the comments. If you don't like it, let us know as well. Just share your thoughts and your knowledge. Happy to hear it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more brand names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.